This is a video about making a paper Klein bottle, not a fancy one that looks like an actual 3D Klein bottle, but a much simpler one. And the story starts when I was reading my March-April 2013 issue of American Scientist. On page 124, there's an article by Sarah Marie Belcastro called Adventures in Mathematical Knitting. I was very intrigued by that. And so I went to her website, which is toroidalsnark.net, and found that she had made a Klein bottle hat out of knitting, and there's a nice picture of it on the website. And I wanted to make one of my own. But before I took up knitting and try and design a nice hat, I thought I'd make a fabric model of it first. And when I got it arranged looking like this, it occurred to me that maybe it would be more convenient to use a paper model. So I made a paper model. And that's what it looks like. And you can make them various aspect ratios. Probably not a lot squatter than that one. But you can also make them kind of tall. This is the one I'll make for the video. So, to make the Klein bottle, we take a half a sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper, fold it in half, and then fold those halves back so it's folded in quarters, so that we can tape the edges to make a tube of paper. And so, well, we have to fold it in half because these ends have to come together in the end to make the bottle. It done really well, and we'll tape one half of the tube together. Now I need to remember that this taped half is the half that I'm going to fold and twist. Tuck the excess tape under there. Okay, the taped half is the half I'm going to fold. There, mark there. I'll actually use a pen so that I can... That's going to be part of the entrance for the neck of the Klein bottle. That's one end of the entrance. So to make a nice straight fold right into the corner, it helps to use a straight edge. And I can finish creasing it without the straight edge. I turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. And now you'll see that it is possible to twist the paper strip or tube into a Mobius strip or a Mobius band. And right now we'll just crease down the left side, I mean the right side alone. The right side's a bit more complicated. So there's your twist, and you can see it would make a Mobius band if we joined the edges. But we want to go beyond a Mobius band and have a Klein bottle. So we're going to manipulate this side so that we can get the neck of the Klein bottle inside the bottle. The inside being the part that I've already taped. And so I've marked that. Now I can crease it all the way into the peak. Twist it again. Now, I want to make sure everything's lined up. I use the ruler to find that join line, and then we will make a tuck here so that the neck will go through the side of the bottle. Like that. Now we tuck it in. Tuck in the other side. There. Now all we have to do is close our bottle up. See, I'm going to put the tape right across the point of where the neck goes into the bottle. Now I have to join the two tubes, which are now one inside the other. Here. That. If you see down inside maybe. That's the inside of the bottle. So when it's flat like a piece of paper, the way this one is, it doesn't look much like a Klein bottle, but it is a Klein bottle. I think I'll make that tape a little bit more the right size. Or really oversized so I can trim it. Separate the tubes just so. There's the one join for the bottom of the bottle. Be cheap with the tape, I guess. Following my scissors. There. Klein bottle. There's the opening. There's the actual bottom, where the mouth of the neck, the mouth of the bottle, and the bottom of the bottle join. There's where the neck goes inside the bottle, there. And it's very much like this one, with different aspect ratio, which I can use as a model for the hat I'm going to make. Now I've looked on the web and I haven't seen a Klein bottle made this way before. And it doesn't look like a Klein bottle, but if you make one yourself, you can probably convince yourself that it is one.